What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you the best and easiest strategy to launch a profitable Shopify dropshipping store. This is the exact method that's helping me launch profitable stores quickly and efficiently. And just in case you don't believe me, guys, I launched this store 3 days ago. It's already at 1K a day right now. Yesterday was at 2K, and we should be at 10K a day in no time. And guys, the layout that I'm going to be sharing with you today is the exact method that's responsible for these sales. Now, it shouldn't be a surprise to you, but most dropshippers will never start a profitable store. And most people think this is because they chose a bad product. Now, while that could be one factor, the truth is that any product could become a winning product. It's all about how you build your store and position your brand. These are the things that are going to have the single highest impact on your store's success. And truth be told, even if you have a bad product but can merchandise it properly, you'll still be able to run a profitable store. So forget all the gibberish that gurus are talking about telling you that you need a unicorn of a product. Truthfully, the only reason these gurus need unicorn products is because they don't know how to successfully create a profitable product page. Your success in e-commerce is pretty much based around one metric: conversion rate. This is a statistic that measures how many visitors out of 100 end up making a purchase. So technically, if you have one visitor out of 100 that makes a purchase, you have a 1% conversion rate. Now, why this matters is because the higher that you can increase that conversion rate, the easier it becomes to leverage paid traffic. If you can increase that 1% to 2%, technically you just doubled your business. Which is why I stress this number being so important. And your conversion rate usually is the determining factor whether your product can be profitably advertised or not. So now that you understand this, let's hop into the strategy to show you the ideal store setup to help you achieve a high conversion rate and help you crush it with your store. Alright, so the first mistake that I see when beginners create their stores is they're using way too many spammy sales features and using very clunky themes. All these scarcity features were super popular in 2017 and 2018, but I can confidently tell you after an A and B testing a lot of these features, it will decrease your conversion rate. So these things you need to get out of your store right now. The best way to design a good store is to keep it simple. I recommend using a modern and aesthetic Shopify theme like Dawn. This theme's completely free. Don't go out there and try to be fancy with your Shopify store spending money on paid themes, because I can tell you this will not help you out. And to be honest, I think Dawn is the best Shopify theme that Shopify's released, and it's also free, so there's no excuse not to use it. Now, one thing that I see when I'm reviewing beginner stores is that their homepage is unfocused and they don't know how to design this right. Truthfully, your homepage is super simple and you shouldn't be giving that much information on your product. I wanted to pull up a good example of a homepage, and there's a Shopify store called Brighter Made. I think they did a really good job keeping this simple and also providing enough information on their product. As you can see on this homepage, they have a very aesthetic image of their product, which they're selling these personalized night lights. And as you can see, it describes exactly what this product is. It's a personalized night light, and it will help transform your child's room into a magical dreamland that's filled with restful slumbers and a whole lot of love. So this is a great introduction to their product page over here. And then if you scroll down, you can see that they kept it super simple. They have a little section over here that says a sweet new way to personalize your child's room, with a very aesthetic photo of the product, a little sentence, and then a call to action to view the collection. And then after that, you can see they described how the process works. So 1, 2, 3 steps, simple process. And then they just have all their designs down here. So super simple. There's nothing crazy going on with this product page. It's literally just a couple sections here. Sometimes I see beginners home pages and they're trying to overcompensate and trying to sell in this section. And let me tell you guys, that's just not going to help. This should be a place that they can navigate your website easily and try to access different parts of their website they're wanting to. The star of the show needs to be your product page. The product page is where we're going to be sending customers to. This is going to be the link that we're going to be sharing on our social medias, and this is going to be controlling all the selling of our product. So this is where we really need to focus our time and attention to create a profitable store. There's two primary product methods that I usually go after. The first one would be using a native Shopify theme like Dawn and going after a product page like this. I found this product page from this website called Floatly, and as you can see, they did a very good job breaking this product page up, and this is usually exactly what I do when I'm creating product pages. I like to introduce the product with a quick sentence or paragraph that explains exactly what the product does. And then another thing I want to emphasize on is that you need to find really high quality images. So you can see this company actually went out and sourced some really high quality images. Now, when we do scroll down, this is where the product page starts, and I want you guys to note this because this is what I do on all my product pages. I always start the product page out with a headline that catches your attention and explains the unique selling point of your product. So this says levitation meets illumination, and then there's a GIF showing exactly how this product works. I think GIFs are so underutilized in the e-commerce industry, and you should be using an abundance of them like this. And if we scroll down, you can see how this product page is broken up. It's specifically broken up into a media like a GIF or an image with a paragraph explaining how the product works, and they also use headlines to break this product page up and make it very easy to consume. So literally all you need to do is follow this exact structure with any product page you're doing. So as you see, they have 3 features on this product page that they're going over, and then they just explain how it works. This is something that you should always implement in your product page if you have any product that has a function. So as this product actually levitates, they explain how this works, they explain how to turn it on and off, and lastly, they give instructions. I found by providing instructions in your product page, it does definitely increase the conversion rate. And then you can see lastly, they have an abundance of customer reviews, over 3,200 reviews. Reviews are one of the biggest thing that will boost your conversion rate up, and especially believable reviews like this. If you go through this company's reviews, you can just see that they all look like organic reviews that were made by customers. So when you are designing your product page, look at a website like this and see how they're breaking up every element in the product page. Why this website probably has such a high conversion rate is because it's so easy to read and understand. They've taken out a lot of information that isn't necessary and tried to keep it to the core information that will get the customer to buy the product. I know the one part that most people struggle with is writing the text inside the description, and while it definitely can be difficult, one of the easiest ways to do market research on your product is heading over to Amazon. Believe it or not, but pretty much every e-commerce product under the sun is on this e-commerce platform. So usually just by searching up a few keywords, we can find that exact product on Amazon, and this will give us a lot of market intel because number one, we can look through the reviews and we can see what people are wanting inside this product, what they're saying is beneficial, and then also look at the questions and the product description that the Amazon company is writing. All those elements should easily give you enough inspiration to come up with a product page just like this. Now, the second method that I do recommend for creating product pages is using a page building application like GemPages. Unfortunately, GemPages isn't available anymore, so I will recommend another landing page builder that my team and I are using. It's called Pagefly. I'll leave the link down below. I think they're pretty good landing page builder, but what you're able to do with these page builders that's different from the standard product page approach is you have full customability. So you can move any images wherever you want, text wherever you want. So I'll put an example of a custom built product page over here, and you can see the clear difference from that and a standard Shopify product page. The question becomes, when do you need a custom product page over just a standard Shopify product page? Well, it really depends. If you have a product that has a lot of information on it, something that's relatively difficult to explain, then I would definitely recommend using a custom built page so you can apply all those features in a clean and consumable way. But if you have a rather simple product or you're selling clothing or any accessories like that, a Shopify theme should definitely be enough. I really only recommend the custom built pages for products that are solving real world problems. So if you were selling a posture corrector, this would definitely be an opportunity to provide more value than a standard product page could do. And one thing I want to note, guys, don't overcomplicate it when you're creating your Shopify dropshipping websites. Figure out why people want your product and make sure you're catering all your content and information towards that want and desire, and you're going to really be able to appeal to the buyer's perspective, which will skyrocket that conversion rate. If you guys do want a click-by-click tutorial showing you how to design this, then I definitely will get this video to over 5,000 likes and I'll drop the tutorial. I thought this video would be far more valuable than a click-by-click tutorial, so I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. But with that being said, guys, I'll see you in the very next video. Peace.